Students, this is JE class number 17. Look at that question on the board. Matrix A given. Further, A into A transpose is equal to 9 had given. It is asked to find the value of this ordered pair AB. AB is equal to. So now let us solve that. It's so easy question, students. How easily I solve. Look at this. A transpose is equal to 9i. So this implies A, matrix A, 1, 2, 2. So 2, 1 minus 2, A, 2, B into A transpose, transposing, changing rows into columns and columns into rows. So it is 1, 2, 2. So next 2, 1 minus 2, A, 2, B is equal to 9i. 9 into identity matrix, multiply identity matrix by 9. So it is 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. Carefully multiply. Need not to multiply all the terms. Just you multiply required row and column in order to get A and B values. First I write first row, first column. Not required because first row, first column does not contain A and B. I go for first row, third column. First row, third column. 1 into A plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into B 2B. First row, first column. It should be first element. First row, second column, second element. First row, third column means third element. This third element should be equal to 0. So at first row, third column is equal to 0. First row, third column, element at this place, we will get element at this place is equal to 0. So at A plus 2B is equal to minus 4. We got a linear equation. Let us try to get one more linear equation of the same type. Second row, first column. Second row, second column, not required. Second row, last column. So 2 into A, 2A. So 2 into A, 2A. Plus 1, 2s are 2. Minus 2B. Second row, third column. Should be the element at this place. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So now you write that is 2A minus 2B is equal to minus 2. We got two linear equations. You try to solve that. So right, first one A plus 2B is equal to minus 4. So 2A minus 2B minus 2. So right. So go for addition. So add 2B get cancels. 2A plus A, 3A minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. That implies A is equal to minus 6 by 3. 3 2s are minus 2. We got A value. Substitute this A value to get the B value. A plus 2B is equal to minus 4. Tell me A value, students. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2B minus 4. So this implies, so 2B is equal to minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. This implies B is equal to minus 1. Tell me required ordered pair. Minus 2 comma minus 1. This is the required ordered pair. Tell me option which is correct for this question. Minus 2 minus 1. Option D correct. Let us go for one more question, students. Let us move on to next question. Next question is so right. So next question is if the set of all values of lambda the set of all values of lambda, set of all values of lambda for which 2x1 minus 2x2 minus x3 this is plus x3. So 2x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to lambda x1. Next equation is, so 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 2x3 is equal to lambda x2 and minus x1 plus 2x2 is equal to lambda x3 has non-trivial solution. So first option is an empty set. Second option is singleton set. Singleton set. So third option is contains two elements. So fourth option is contains more than two elements. More than two elements. So look at this simple question, students. So let us solve this easily. So very simple. Solution is the linear equations as non-trivial solution. Trivial solution means so 0, 0, 0. x1 is 0, y1 is 0, z1 is 0. Non-trivial solution means solution other than zeros. Let us go forward. First you rearrange the equations. 2x1, bring the lambda x1 this side. 2 minus lambda into x1 minus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. You rearrange. So 2x1. So minus, bring that lambda x2 this side. Minus of 3 plus lambda x2 plus 2x3 equals 0. So final one more equation. Minus x1 plus 2x2 minus lambda x3 0. So non-trivial solution required. For non-trivial solution. So non-trivial solution. So determinant should be equal to 0. For non-trivial solution, determinant should be equal to 0 because it is homogeneous equation, homogeneous system of equations. Determinant. So tell me components. 2 minus lambda minus 2 1. Next 2 minus of 3 plus lambda. So 2. Next minus 1. So 2 minus lambda. Expand it, students. Expand it. So 2 minus lambda into row column. So lambda into 3 plus lambda minus 4. So minus of minus plus 2 into. So column row. So minus 2 lambda plus 2 plus 1 into column row 2 2s are 4, column row 4 minus or minus plus 3 plus lambda is equal to 0. So column row 2 2s are 4 sorry, so 2 2s are 4 minus into minus plus 1 more minus 3 minus lambda. Now simplify this. Now you think of simplifying this. So right. So 2 minus lambda into 3 lambda plus lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 4. So what is common? 2. I remove minus 2 as common. Minus 4, 1 minus lambda. 4 minus 3, 1 minus lambda. So right, 1 minus lambda. Yes, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So now 2 minus lambda factors this 4 ones are plus minus. So lambda plus 4 into lambda minus 1. It is minus of lambda minus 1. So right, minus lambda minus 1 minus common. Minus has been removed. Minus lambda minus 1. Minus 2 has been removed. I removed minus 2 plus lambda minus 1, correct? Minus 4. Here you remove 1 more. 1 minus lambda. So remove 1 minus, you get lambda minus 1. Minus 4 into lambda minus 1. You remove 1 minus from this. Minus of lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. What is common from all the terms, students? So it is lambda minus 1. Lambda minus 1. Remaining product of these two. 2 lambda minus 4 lambda minus lambda square. Minus 4 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 2 lambda. 4 2s are 8 plus 8. Lambda minus 1 has been removed. Minus 4 minus 1. Simplify that. So lambda minus 1 into, so lambda minus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 3. AB is equal to 0. AB is equal to 0. Either A equals 0 or B equals 0. Lambda minus 1 equals 0 or minus lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply by minus. Multiply by minus. Solve that. Solve that. So right, lambda is equal to 1. Lambda square plus 2 lambda minus 3. Factors 3 ones are plus minus. So lambda equals minus 3. So lambda equals 1. So right, lambda values are 1 minus 3. Tell me, students, which option is correct? So is it empty set? No. So set is having 2 elements. First element is 1, second element is minus 3. Is it singleton set? Singleton set means set having only 1 element. No, contains 2 elements. 2 elements. First element is 1, second element is minus 3. Answer is C. Option C correct. Let us go for solving one more question, students. So one more question. So right. So next question is the number of integers, the number of integers greater than 6000, greater than 6000, 6000 that can be formed, that can be formed, so formed using the digits, using the digits 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 without repetition is, without repetition, without repetition is first option. So 216, second option 192, so third option 120, fourth option 72. Let us solve this one more simple question, students. So this is number of integers arrangements more greater than 6000. Number of integers, the integer should be greater than 6000 that can be formed using the digits. So to form a 4-digit number, the number of integers without repetition, the number of integers greater than 6000, all the integers greater than 6000 should be 4-digit or more than 4-digit numbers that can be formed without using the digits, right? First let us try to obtain 4-digit numbers which are greater than that 6000. So look at this, students here. 4 boxes. So to get a 4-digit number greater than 6000, I should fill this first box either by 6 or by 7 or by 8. If I fill first box by 6, so remaining you can fill any of these numbers. We will get a number which is greater than 6000. First box can be filled either by 6 or by 7 or by 8. There are 3 ways. So to get a 4-digit number which is greater than 6000, to fill this box I have 3 options. That is 3 into, so after filling this first box either by 6 or by 7 or by 8, remaining digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally we have 5 digits. We use one of the digit to fill this first box. After filling this first box, so the second box can be filled in how many ways? 4 ways. So after filling these two remaining will be 3 into 3 ways can be filled. This can be filled in 3 ways. So next 2. So multiply this, students. Multiply 4 3s are 12 2s are 24 into 3 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72. So number of 4-digit numbers greater than 6000 or 72. Now let us think of getting 5-digit numbers. All 5-digit numbers are greater than 6000 only. So for that this first box can be filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. Again, you fill one of the number to this box. Remaining will be 4. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. It is nothing but 5 factorial. 5 factorial. That is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 4s are 20 into 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 120. Now let's go for finding total number of digits. So total number of digits is equal to, so 120. 72 plus 120. So you have that students. So 2, 9, 1, 192. 192. So total numbers which are greater than 6,000 by using these 5 numbers can be formed. That 192 numbers can be formed. I hope you understood, students. So right. Let us stop this class. So we shall continue in the next class. Thank you, students.